Where's our double dip? At least we had a haircut, eh?
Haircut Monday here at Vesta.
Haircut Monday. Isn't that like so crazy? People saying, it seems like the threat of the double dip is receding. What absolute nonsense is that? People not having a double dip, although you do dip your oil in when you go have a look, is Sasol oil. No, Sasol, eh?
Out with results this morning. Looking good, eh?
I think, yeah, I heard one commentator put it just about right, that he thinks operationally, i.e. like what's happening in the real business, this is the best kind of he's seen the company sweat the assets in a long, long time. So
what I like is that the Synfuels business has retracted slightly, so it's become a more diversified company.
Yeah, and that's always what they've tried to do, and that's interestingly why they bought that big chemicals business in Europe in the first place, which, remember, got that whopping fine that they had to put through.
And that has always been an issue with Sasol, eh?
Yeah, it had always been an issue, and in fact they make some serious notes about that. But still, this is a company that's got an enormous amount in the pipeline. That Chinese thing we should know by the end of June 2011.
And what are the uncertainties there that they won't pass it because of environmental
issues,
eh?
Doesn't environmental issues in China go in the same sentence? Yeah, but people could be mistaken for thinking that that isn't the case, you know. They're on top of their game as far as emissions controls goes, and trying to make a big effort.
And then there's the other one in Uzbekistan.
Never heard of it. Where is Uzbekistan? It's one of those
big...
I'm
sure he knows.
Hey, Uzbekistan, not a great place. And then Tommy, African Bank, finally winding up this Ellerins thing. They're finally, it's like an internal reorganization.
So no impact on earnings?
No, absolutely zero. Because so basically what it is having
taken the Ellerins book.
Financial, yeah. So, and it's boosted their book to like 22 billion rands, I think. But
so basically they're going to use Ellerins to give out more loans?
Well, that was the long and the short of it all in the first place, and that's why they acquired it. But this is just some internal reorganization. But, you know, this is a company we like, and we think in the long run they would have get this right anyhow. And yes, just by the way, all our teams drew in the weekend, eh? Except your Novak.
Chelsea won 3-1.
Oh yes, yeah, no, that team of ours won. Yeah.